Oh, we're gonna take the car for its first rip. I'll let it warm up. I gotta open the garage so I don't suffocate in here. We did end up getting the carbon front lip for the M, but I've been kind of busy all day. And I haven't had time to actually put it on. Might do it tomorrow, but we're supposed to go to Houston to do some stuff with my nephew and my kids. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, let it warm up, and then we are going to go, well, I'm gonna go drive it around. That's it. Went and bought some of these mats from Home Depot. Put up on the cars right there. Bought 2 of them. And a drip pan for the M3. You know, if you got a BMW, you gotta have a drip pan. But yeah, I'm gonna let the car warm up. I'm gonna grab my mount, and then we're gonna go for a cruise. One thing I will say is this car, the AC is freaking cold in this thing. Ridiculously cold. He did tell me that the buttons on this thing stick. So it's like I gotta press a little bit of tension to turn it down. All right, but I'm gonna have to call him once the car's warmed up. I'm gonna have to call him, FaceTime him, so I won't be able to record. But I'm gonna call him and make sure that he can show me how to work the whole car. He told me that he wanted to personally talk to me so he can show me how to drive it. Just because he has a 2,000 horsepower GTR, and then he's the one that built this one. So I would like for him to just kind of give me some pointers on how he does it or how it's kind of recommended. Just because, you know, I'm a learner, man. I'm not the kind of person that's gonna think I know more than the next guy or any of that. But so I believe it has 93 octane in it. The car is not completely warmed up yet, but it's about halfway on temp, so it should have warmed up already. But we're going for a cruise, man. Oh my gosh, this is the first rip, and I don't think I can put it on a freaking AC vent without turning the AC off because it's gonna freaking make sound. I believe it'll make sound with the air. See if I can turn it all the way down. Can I put the AC at the feet? How the fuck do they do this? So he told me the other day that this is on the lowest map. But right now it's in the lowest map settings. It's an automatic. I don't have it in manual right now because obviously I'm using my hands to hold the phone up. Let me close this. I'm not gonna get on it until I actually get the car warmed up. This thing is freaking loud, and it feels like I was saying. I'm only 5'6", about 170 pounds, 165 pounds, and I feel big in this car. I feel like as if it's like almost perfect for me. The seats hold both sides of my back. The steering wheel is small. It feels small, but it feels like thick, like girthy. No homo. The steering wheel has like a good grip to it. It has the Alcantara with the crushed carbon right here, but it feels really, and the steering feels stout, man. It feels kind of like the BMW steering. But I'm not gonna get on it until I actually get this car warmed up. I'm gonna go the long way so I can go on the highway. The only problem is when we went to Home Depot earlier, there was a freaking sheriff kind of waiting in the center aisle, waiting in the median. Hopefully we don't run into that person. I will say, this is my first time inside a GTR, driving a GTR, any of that stuff. And you see, hear that? It's like kind of clunky. Thankfully, it's not very hot outside. It's actually decent. I mean, it's whatever to the freaking wheels. Man, get the hell out of here. That is insane. That is beyond insane.
Where'd you get the buy the vehicle at?
St. Louis.
In St. Louis?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I had it transported in.
Okay. Because right after Texas, it didn't come out. That's why I was asking where
yes,
you
sir.
are. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The state is St. Louis?
Missouri.
Missouri. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hot. Well, it's not hot. It's just there's no wind and it's a little muggy right now. How the hell? And remember I was saying at the beginning of the video that up this road there was a constable or a sheriff, whatever. This is not the one, but there's obviously one. When there's one, there's two. But Jesus. What the hell? Comes. Thank you, sir.
All right, man. Enjoy your vehicle, but be careful, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry about
right.
that. I tried to tell him, I promise you I wasn't trying to speed. I was literally just trying to get over and make the turn. That's all I was doing. So he said this is a 45. So I'm gonna go 44. Oh, it's always something. I tried to explain to him, I just purchased a vehicle and I had it in manual, yes. I was gonna try to get after it on the feeder road. I was. Because this is the road that I always take in my BMW when I'm driving. Well, nice little first drive with the GTR.